This is Dad. The sloth has not moved in 3 hours. Dad has not moved either. They understand each other. This is Costa Rica.
5 Costa Rica words today. Sloth, volcano, rainforest, toucan, Pura Vida. Welcome to the jungle. Bienvenidos. Welcome to Costa Rica for wildlife.
Carlos, we are completely ready. I have a wildlife checklist. 52 animals to find.
Everything is so green. Every single mountain completely covered in green forest.
Costa Rica, 25% of our land is protected national park. We chose to protect it. Pura Vida, pure life. We say it for hello, goodbye.
One phrase means everything, hello and great.
In Costa Rica, life is pure and simple.
Comment below right now. Which animal do you most want us to find? Sloth? Toucan? Monkey? Jaguar? The volcano! Arenal Volcano! A real active volcano!
Arenal erupted for over 40 years. This lava came from the 1968 eruption. It destroyed everything here. Now look, life returns slowly.
Plants growing through solid rock. Life finds a way through anything.
The rock is so light and full of tiny holes.
Exactly right, Peter. This is called pumice on Earth. It floats on water.
Heated by the volcano, and the jungle is all around us.
The water travels underground near the volcano magma. It comes up here at 40 degrees. A volcanic hot spring in the jungle? This is the best bath I have ever had entire life.
We are being heated by actual lava underground. Toucan! Right there! I see it! The bill is enormous.
Ramphastos sulfuratus, the keel-billed toucan. The bill looks heavy, but it is hollow inside. It helps the bird cool down. An enormous colorful bill to cool down?
Nature is so creative, so unexpected.
Poison dart frog, 2 centimeters long, enough poison to stop a human heart. Tiny, vivid red, very deadly. And Carlos is pointing at it calmly. Of course. That is not a normal animal sound. That is enormous.
Howler monkey. Their call carries kilometers through the forest.
Nature words, volcano that erupts, lava, melted rock, species, type of animal, biodiversity, many different living things. Pura vida!
We are inside a cloud, a real cloud.
Monteverde, mountain of green. The clouds live here permanently.
Everything is covered in moss and mist.
Cloud Forest has its own microclimate. Life grows everywhere here. Stop. Completely still. Look up and left.
The Quetzal.
The ancient Maya considered the Quetzal sacred.
More sacred than gold. Its feathers were royal currency. I am walking through a cloud in a forest. This feels like something from a dream.
Monteverde has over 400 species of orchid and more than 100 species of mammals. 1.5 kilometers of zip line. Over the forest canopy.
Over the treetops.
You will fly.
1.5 kilometers? Over those trees? Yes.
I am flying! I am actually flying over the rainforest! This is incredible! I can see the whole forest below me! I am above the trees! This is the most incredible thing!
I appreciate everything that zipline represents. I will watch enthusiastically from here.
Safely, David.
Anna did it. Anna is braver than me. This is known. I accept this completely.
Sloth! I found a sloth! Look up, right above us.
A 3-toed sloth. They sleep 15 to 20 hours every day. Very efficient animals.
David, you have been standing there for 20 minutes, looking at the sloth.
We are communicating, Emily. The sloth and I understand each other. Please do not interrupt.
Grammar now. Present continuous is hanging. The monkey is climbing. The toucan is eating. IS plus verb.
Jungle and beach? The forest comes right to the sand, wildlife and swimming.
Manuel Antonio, place in Costa Rica where rainforest and Pacific Ocean touch each other.
Monkeys! On the beach! A monkey is looking at our bag. Is it trying to steal something?
Manuel Antonio capuchins are very clever and very fast. The monkey took my snack! Right from beside me, directly!
The monkey is eating your snack, Dad, and it looks very happy about it.
Capuchin monkeys have the intelligence of a 3-year-old human child, and much faster hands. Congratulations to the monkey. It outthought me completely. I respect it.
The fish are everywhere. Vivid blue, vivid yellow, touching my feet, swimming with us. 47 fish species in this one small bay.
Carlos, 2 macaws! Right above us. Those colors, vivid red.
Scarlet macaws mate for life. These two have been together for over 20 years, probably.
Sunset. Macaws. Macaws?
Costa Rica gives everything at once, wildlife and sunset, all together. Pura vida. Green sea turtle. She comes here every beach. She was born here too.
She was born on this exact beach? And she came all the way back? How does she know?
Sea turtles remember the magnetic signature of their birth beach. They navigate a field.
A biological GPS inside her brain. Baby turtles, so small, all going to the ocean.
They know the direction of the ocean by the light. They go to the brightest horizon, always. This waterfall has never been named. Most waterfalls in Costa Rica have no name. Too many to count.
So many waterfalls that most have no name. That is a...
The water is cold, but soap in, Dad.
I am appreciating the waterfall from this excellent position on the rock, responsibly.
Toucan, check. Sloth, check. Howler monkey, check. You found 6 animals from your checklist, Peter. In 4 days. That is incredible.
In 20 years, I have seen a jaguar twice. Only twice.
That means it was watching us, and we did not know.
David, what was your favorite moment in Costa Rica?
Definitely the sloth. We understood each other. It was a connection across species.
The zip line, flying over the rainforest canopy. Nothing has ever felt like that. Nothing.
You were absolutely terrified for the first second, then absolutely joyful for the rest.
Pura vida is not just a phrase. It means choose joy.
Choose nature. Choose joy. I am writing that in the family notebook.
We are taking that home with us.
Carlos, I want you to have my checklist. You helped me find every animal on it.
Pura vida, Peter. Come back and we will find the jaguar together. I promise you that. Costa Rica vocabulary now. Repeat after me slowly. A2 level. Pura vida. Let us start.
Rainforest. A rainforest is a very thick, wet, tropical forest. It rains almost every day. Rainforest.
Wildlife means wild animals living in nature. Costa Rica has 6% of all Earth's wildlife. Wildlife.
Volcano. A volcano is a mountain that erupts with lava. Arenal is an active volcano. Volcano. Volcano!
Canopy. The canopy is the top layer of the rainforest, the treetops. I flew over the canopy on a zip line. Canopy. A species is one type of living thing. Sloth, one species. Toucan, another species. Species, species.
Grammar. Present continuous. The sloth is sleeping. The monkey is climbing. The bird is flying. Is plussing.
Pura vida! Pure life. Hello. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. Great. Everything good? Pura vida. Pura vida. Say it. Costa Rica words. Rainforest, wildlife, volcano, canopy.
5 words, plus pura vida, plus pura vida. Excelente.
Goodbye, sloth. It was an honor. I learned a lot from you about patience and stillness.
Thank you for watching Teamer in Costa Rica. Subscribe and say a vida!